Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get transparent background here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To get a transparent background in Canva, you have to use the Canva Pro, as the transparency feature is only available with a paid plan. Now, for example, you started with a template that you wanted to work with. Maybe you can choose this, upcoming events, maybe trending in social media, or if you wanted to create a design from scratch, just click on the upper left corner. In my case, I'm going to be choosing the social media, and I'm choosing the YouTube thumbnail, because after working with this video, I'm going to upload alongside with it the YouTube thumbnail in our G-Plafs YouTube channel. Now, I'm going to upload, I'm going to create a certain image here. Now, for you to be able to get a transparent background in Canva, all I have to do is click on the share button in the upper right corner. Click on download. There should be an option that says transparent background, all right? But it requires a Canva Pro feature, all right? So you can choose the perfect size and quality for your downloads, create transparent background so you can use your image anywhere. But of course, you need to use the Canva Pro. If you're using the free, you have at least 30 generous days for you to try the Canva Pro feature, which is transparent background, and click on save. What I'm going to do is, since I'm using the free plan, I'm gonna switch to my Canva Pro subscription account. Let me switch very quick. Now, for example, this image right here, I'm gonna click on share, click on download. Now I can use the transparent background without any problem. Basically, it's in Pro, but you see the Pro is shaded out. That means I can use it without any problem. All I'm gonna do is click on download. Now, this is the image that has a transparent background, all right? As you can see, the image right here doesn't have any background, unlike the image that we have. The one in the Canva has like an orange background. This one has a transparent. All right. Again, if you're using Canva's free version, you won't be able to export images with a transparent background directly. However, of course, you can do that when the Canva Pro subscription is available in your account. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.